Hi, Kay Ross here, and today I wanted to talk about Systeme, an all-in-one marketing platform for online entrepreneurs. And what I love about it is that everything is in the one place. So I was really interested in finding a course platform where I could put my course that connected with emails, funnels, website, and everything else that I need. And I have found it in Systeme. And the thing that I'm really excited about is that you can try it for free for as long as you want. So as I said, Systeme. Now down below, I will be posting a web link. Now I am an affiliate with Systeme, which just means that if you sign up and down the track you buy something through Systeme, that I get a small percentage. It does not change the price that you are charged. However, it will give you any special bonuses that are available. So let's look at Systeme and what it is. So as it says here, it's an all-in-one marketing platform for online entrepreneurs. Now, there are 6 tools that you need to launch, grow, and scale your online business. And the reality is, unless you've got these, you're going to make a lot more work for you. Now, there are plenty of, for example, course platforms out there, and I've used a lot of them, but what I found was having to hook up my email to them and my website and sales funnels and everything else. It actually just was blowing my head in. So I wanted something that did it all for me and was easy to use, and I have found that with Systeme. So as it says here, there are 6 tools you need to launch, grow, and scale your online business. Sales funnels, Systeme's got it. Email marketing, and I love their email marketing platform. You do not have to have other platforms such as MailChimp, MailerLite, ActiveCampaign, etc. You don't need them because Systeme does everything you want. Online courses, which is what I'm using it for as well, a website builder, an affiliate program management, and marketing automation. So it's got everything you need in the one place. The other thing is that you can use it for all sorts of things. So whether you're a course creator, a freelancer, consultant, or small business owner, Systeme has the tools that you need to get your business up and running. You can save at least $320 a month by using Systeme. So you don't need a funnel builder. And if you look at some of the costs of funnel builders like ClickFunnels, etc., they're actually much more than $97 a month. The great thing about Systeme is it includes it all in the one platform, and it is so easy to use. There are, with some of the other funnel programs, you need about 20 steps before you can get to where your funnel's done. With Systeme, it's 2 or 3 steps, really easy. Email marketing, at the beginning, at the bottom line, it starts at about $20 a month. If you want a membership program, you're usually looking at about $99 a month. Affiliate programs, usually around $97. Video hosting starts at $7 a month. And I actually do love the fact that I can load my videos straight onto the Systeme platform without having to use either YouTube or Vimeo. So that's another cost saving for me, but it also makes it really easy because I know where everything is. So it is a best kept secret. It's not going to be a secret for much longer, and there are rumours that the prices will be going up soon, so you can have a look at that. You can get started for free. Now what that means is you can put your first course up online for free, and it's free forever. You only need to start paying if and when you're ready to put up your second course. Now the thing I loved about doing it for free was I got a feel for the platform. I was given everything I needed, so it wasn't, a free course that was limited in what it could do. It came with funnels and marketing and everything else I needed, and the customer support was really great. I had some questions, and even though I was on the free platform, they answered my questions. It made life a lot easier. They do, as I said, customer support team is really great. They get back to you fairly quickly. And even for me in Australia, I got answers to my questions usually within a couple of hours. So as I said, you can get started for free. It's free forever with your first course, and you don't even have to put in your credit card. Now, I will be giving you a link that you can join up for free, and then down the track, as I said, when you start adding courses, then you can decide which tier is right for you. So if we look at pricing, just wait for this to come up. So you can choose your plan. So free, you can start for free, and as I said, you're free for however long you just want one course. Then you can go into startup, $27 a month, webinar, which includes evergreen webinars for $47 a month, and enterprise if you're into big business with tons of courses, etc. So if you look at the free program, just as an example, you can have up to 1,000 contacts in your email list. You can send unlimited emails. You've got 3 funnels, 10 funnel steps, a blog, unlimited blog posts, membership site, storage space unlimited, membership site members unlimited. You can have one automation, one workflow, one tag, email campaigns, click upsells, order bumps, A/B testing, coupon codes, deadline funnels, Stripe and PayPal integration. You can run your own affiliate program, 24/7 email support. You can't have your own custom domain or evergreen webinars, and you don't get free migration, but it's actually fairly easy to do, and you don't get your one-on-one kickstarting session. Now I'm on the I was on this while I just had one course. Now that I've got more than one course, I went into the $27 a month, which has got 5,000 contacts, and that's as much as I need at the moment. And when I need more than that, then I will go up to the next tier. And as you can see, I get more sales funnels, and I can have my custom domain, etc. So you get more perks the higher you go. So when we say free, this is included in the free pricing. As I said, you get unlimited emailing, unlimited file storage space, unlimited membership site members, no transaction fees, affiliate programs, and online support. Getting that for free, I think I've never seen another program that does that with the free program for however long you're on it. A lot of programs will give you 10 days or 2 weeks. Systeme gives you, as I said, free forever until you want your next program up and going. So you're not alone. Their customer support is incredible, and I would say, what have you got to lose? A little bit of time getting started for free, and you can have everything you need, including your website. I haven't put my website on yet, but I will be. And once I do that, then I've got everything together in the one spot. So if you've got any questions, I'll be happy to answer them, and I'll post the link for you to join through my affiliate program. And for everybody who joins, I will give you a free 3-session course on how to get your first course online using Systeme. So if you'd like that free course, it's 3 modules, getting your course online, absolutely free, then I'd love to give that to you as a thank you for joining Systeme through my affiliate. So any questions, let me know, comment below, and I hope you love this as much as I do. So Kay Ross, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye.